Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to build wealth and make smart investments, you've come to the right place. Today we will be looking at how to invest in the metaverse and also discussing top stock picks for investing in the metaverse. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you're the first to know when we release a new video. We want to also remind you that this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial professional before investing any money in stocks or the stock market. Now, if you're anything like us, you're always looking for the next big thing, the next investment opportunity that's going to take your portfolio to the next level. And let us tell you, the metaverse is shaping up to be huge. We're talking potentially trillions of dollars huge. This isn't just some fad. It's the future of how we interact, work, and play. So, in this video, we're diving deep into the metaverse, breaking down what it is, why it matters, and most importantly, how you can invest in it. We're talking top stock picks, hidden gems, and everything in between. This is your ultimate resource for navigating the exciting world of metaverse investments. Before we dive into the companies shaping the metaverse, let's take a moment to understand what the metaverse actually is. At its core, the metaverse is a collective virtual shared space, created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual space. In simpler terms, it's a virtual universe where digital and physical worlds collide. Now, the metaverse is built on several key components. First up, we have virtual reality, or VR. This is what most people think of when they hear the term metaverse. VR involves creating immersive, computer-generated environments that you can interact with using devices like VR headsets. It's all about creating a sense of presence in a digital world. Next, we have augmented reality, or AR. Unlike VR, augmented reality overlays digital information onto the real world. Think of it like Pokemon Go or those Snapchat filters. It's about enhancing your real-world experience with digital elements. Then there's blockchain technology. This is the backbone of the decentralized web. It ensures that digital assets and transactions in the metaverse are secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. Think of it as the digital ledger that keeps everything in check. Lastly, we have decentralized platforms. These are platforms that aren't controlled by a single entity. Instead, they're governed by their users through a consensus mechanism. This ensures that the metaverse remains open and accessible to everyone, without the risk of monopolistic control. Understanding these core components is crucial for anyone looking to invest in the metaverse. Each component represents a different aspect of this emerging digital frontier and offers unique investment opportunities. Before we delve into the companies shaping the metaverse, let's take a moment to discuss the benefits of investing in this burgeoning digital frontier and why now is the right time to get involved. First and foremost, the metaverse represents a revolutionary shift in how we interact with technology and each other. Just as the internet transformed our lives in the 1990s, the metaverse is poised to create new opportunities for social interaction, entertainment, work, and commerce. Investing in the metaverse now means positioning yourself at the forefront of this next digital evolution. One of the key benefits of metaverse investments is the potential for exponential growth. As more people adopt virtual and augmented reality technologies, the demand for metaverse platforms and services will skyrocket. Companies at the forefront of this movement stand to gain significantly, offering early investors substantial returns. Another advantage is diversification. The metaverse encompasses a wide array of industries, from gaming and entertainment to education and real estate. By investing in the metaverse, you're not just betting on a single sector, but rather a comprehensive ecosystem that touches multiple facets of our lives. Moreover, the metaverse offers unique investment opportunities through digital assets, such as NFTs and virtual real estate. These assets are not only valuable, but also highly liquid, providing investors with new ways to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on emerging trends. Now, you might be wondering why now is the right time to invest. Simply put, we're at the cusp of mainstream adoption. Major companies are making significant investments, technological advancements are accelerating, and consumer interest is growing rapidly. Getting in early allows you to ride the wave of innovation and growth that is sure to follow. In summary, investing in the metaverse offers the potential for significant returns, diversification, and access to unique digital assets. With the metaverse still in its early stages, now is the perfect time to start exploring this exciting new frontier. Now that we've discussed the benefits and timing of metaverse investments, let's dive into the companies making big moves in this space. All right, let's kick things off with a company everyone knows, Meta, formerly known as Facebook. Ticker Meta. Now, I know what you're thinking, Facebook, that's so 2010, but hear me out because they're going all in on the metaverse. They're investing billions with a B in developing their own virtual reality platform called Horizon Worlds. Think of it like the metaverse version of Facebook, where you can hang out with friends, attend events, even work, all within a virtual world. They're even developing their own VR headsets, like the Oculus Quest, which are already gaining serious traction. Now, Meta's stock took a bit of a hit recently, but that could be a buying opportunity for savvy investors. They've got a massive user base, billions in cash flow, and they're absolutely laser-focused on the metaverse. We're talking about a company that's not afraid to take risks, to innovate, to completely disrupt themselves. And that's what you want in a metaverse investment. Now, I'm not saying to go all in on Meta, but it's definitely one to watch closely. Do your own research, of course, but don't underestimate the potential here. Next up, we've got Nvidia. Ticker NVDA, a company that might not be as much of a household name as Meta, but trust me, they're just as important in the metaverse game. Why? Because they make the GPUs, the graphics processing units, that are absolutely essential for powering these immersive virtual worlds. Think about it, the metaverse requires insane amounts of computing power to render realistic graphics, smooth frame rates, and handle all the complex interactions. Nvidia's GPUs are like the engines that make the metaverse go, and they're the best in the business. But it's not just about gaming here. Nvidia's technology is also being used to develop AI-powered avatars, create realistic simulations for everything from architecture to healthcare, and even power self-driving cars. So they're not just a metaverse play, they're a bet on the future of computing as a whole. And their stock price, well, it reflects that. Nvidia has been on a tear in recent years, and for good reason. They're a leader in a rapidly growing market, and they're showing no signs of slowing down. Finally, we have to talk about Microsoft. Ticker MSFT. Now, you might think of them as the Windows and Office company, but they're making some serious moves in the metaverse as well. They're investing heavily in both virtual reality and augmented reality, with their HoloLens headset already being used in industries like healthcare and manufacturing. But here's the kicker. Microsoft also owns Xbox, one of the biggest gaming platforms in the world. They're already integrating metaverse elements into their gaming experiences, and they're in a prime position to create their own metaverse platform that could rival anything Meta or anyone else is building. They've also got Azure, their cloud computing platform, which is going to be huge for powering metaverse experiences. The metaverse is going to require massive amounts of data storage and processing power, and that's where Azure comes in. Now, Microsoft is a massive company, so their metaverse investments might not move the needle as much as they do for a company like Meta. But they're a solid, stable bet, and they're playing the long game. They're not chasing hype, they're building the infrastructure that the metaverse will run on. So there you have it, 3 amazing companies at the forefront of the metaverse revolution. This is a generational opportunity, folks. Imagine getting in on the ground floor of the internet back in the 90s. This is that moment, and these companies are leading the charge. But remember, always do your own research, understand the risks, and maybe talk to a financial advisor before making any big investment decisions. Don't just take our word for it or anyone else's. Educate yourself and invest responsibly. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. If you like this video, we bet that you'll like the 2 videos now appearing on the screen. Go ahead and click on one of them now to continue your investment journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the metaverse.